Hi guys, welcome to Homemade Food. Thank you for stopping by today. Today we are going to cook a very special recipe for you. Very healthy, aromatic, quick, economical, nutritious and delicious sautéed chickpea. For detailed recipe, please stay with us. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The ingredients we need are boiled chickpea 200 grams, 1 tablespoon olive oil, butter 2 tablespoons, black cardamom 2, black peppercorns 4 to 5, cinnamon stick 1, dried and crushed fenugreek leaves, roasted whole black cumin seeds, ginger powder, salt, black pepper powder. Heat up 1 tablespoon olive oil on medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons butter to it. Add cinnamon stick. Add black peppercorns. Add black cardamom. Fry for 20 seconds. Add 200 grams boiled chickpea and fry for 3 minutes. Add 1 pinch of ginger powder and fry for 1 minute. Add 1 pinch of black pepper powder. Add 1 pinch of roasted whole black cumin seeds. Fry for 2 minutes. Add 1 pinch of salt. Add 1 pinch of dried crushed fenugreek leaves or rosemary or basil or mint leaves or any herb of your choice. Fry for 2 minutes. Turn off the flame but don't remove it. Remove it after 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons lemon juice and 1 pinch of any dried herb of your choice. Delicious, aromatic, and super nutritious buttery sautéed chickpea are ready to serve. Enjoy and share with your family and friends. We hope you will give it a try. Stay blessed and give us your feedback. Take a good care of yourself and people around you. We will see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.